So if you are watching this video right now, I can probably tell that you are new to forex trading and you are looking for how you can get free forex signals to trade. Well, in this video I'm going to share with you a free mobile app that actually gives accurate forex trading opportunities. Trust me, this app has actually made me some few bucks when I follow their strategy in forex trading. However, this app alone will not let you make the type of profit you need to make in forex trading. So it's still advisable you learn your own techniques in forex trading. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put a disclaimer at the very end on things you need to know before you start using this application. Trust me, these are really important things, so I advise you don't skip any part of this video. So with that already said, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. This is Forex Hustle, and on this channel everything I focus on is how you can make money through crypto trading and forex trading. So all the channel all focus on is cryptocurrency, crypto and forex trading and nothing else. So if this sounds like, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, as I'll be sharing a lot of videos at least 3 to 4 times a week on how to make money from cryptocurrency and forex trading, every possible means of making money through those two trading systems. Trust me, I'm going to share all with you on this channel. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button as we get into today's video and share with you this free mobile application that you can actually use. And to be able to stay updated and get the latest trading information, be it crypto or forex, don't forget to check that in this video description. I'll be dropping a link to my Telegram channel where you can drop here. I'll be dropping all these forex trading signals and everything. Well, I'm a full-time trader, a YouTuber and everything. So trust me, be with me. You are on the safe side of making money online. With that already said, let's get started with today's video. So hello guys, as I said, I'm introduced to this free forex signal app. I know you've seen the name already, but don't rush to go and download it yet until you watch everything that I have to tell you in this video. So you can see this a past trade that I actually traded with this app. You can see the date here. We said last updated time 12 July, last updated time 12 July 12:50 p.m. Ghanaian time. So I'm in Ghana, so it's using the Ghanaian time here. You can see opening time was around 7:19 a.m. So this trade actually took from 7:19 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So let me show you some evidence of what I actually did with this trade. So I didn't trade it with my personal account. I had to use a testing account to actually test it out. So let me go to my history. So you can see some of my trade history. Let me come over to deals. You can see it over here. You can see when I actually started trading. So you can see all my past trade here. So some of them I use this app. However, before I started using this app, I made my own analysis also to make sure that I'm trading safely, even though I was using a demo account. So I needed to test out this app, and this app has been accurate so far. And here's something you need to know about this app also. Then I'm going to show you how you can get this app and everything. So you can currently see some orders that are pending. So this is another thing you need to know about this app also. It has a lot of ads, and I'm going to show you how you can set it up also, so don't worry yourself. So you can see these are new orders that just came in right now, and they are still pending. Information about them are still pending. So let me show you other expired ones. So you can see this one, the top has been done so far, and this came since 3:32 p.m. and you can see so far the market hasn't been going fair. And let's take a look at it. This euro against Australian dollar. So let me come over to my trade and let's look at it actually. Euro against Australian dollar. Let me come over to chart, quotes, charts. So now you can see it said take profits. The first one has already been done. The second one is at 1.43. So let's take a look at it now. You can see the first order hasn't still clicked yet. It said at 1.43 you should take order, and it's actually a buy order, so there's still a long way to go for this trade to actually hit. But from the analytics here, you can see that this trade so far has gotten this trade has actually gotten this shoulder, double shoulder and neck. So in case you don't understand what double shoulder and neck means, I'll be explaining in my further videos about forex trading. You can see the head here. You can see the head here actually. It's actually at the 143 where you are being asked to take profit. So there's a high chance that this trade will actually jump back to that particular level again. So there's no shade about that. So now let me go show you this app on Play Store and how you can actually get it. So once you come over to Play Store, let me take a look at the name again. Forex Signal. So let me come over to my Play Store. It's available for Android. I haven't checked iOS, but you can check it out yourself. Forex Signal. Let me just search for it. I believe I'll get it first. Okay, so this is it. So this is the app. it has some good review. Trust me, a lot of people have dropped their app, works really well, but you need to check confluence regarding signal given before placing order, and the stop loss is a bit high, especially for smaller accounts. But all in all, very happy with the app. That's the truth, because if I was actually using a small account before, I would have burned one of my last trade. That trader earned me that I took $100. I would have actually burned that trade off, because if the account wasn't up to $1,000 and above, trust me, my revenue, everything would have gone like that. So this is the app, and I always advise you check it out and you check every single trade with it first. So as I just said, there are some things I'll tell you at the very end of this video, but before that, let me show you how the app works. So once you set up the apps like this, when you open the app, this is how the home page looks like. But before you can access it, you need to come over to settings. Then you come over here, you see where it says time zone. You need to click on time zone. So in case your time zone, normally the time zone will pop up on the screen normally, because if you use the wrong time, you are going to get update at the wrong time. So you can see there's time zone for every single part of the world. So you simply have to pick the time that matches with your country, and then that's all. Once you pick the time, you'll be receiving a notification on your status bar. So far I haven't received any notifications here on my status bar. That's to show that there's nothing new. So when there's a new trade update, you are going to receive it on your notification bar. And the other thing, you can come to settings and set your notification to make sure that you've set everything to high, so that once there's a notification, you are going to receive it on your phone and get on the trade on time. So as I already said, always analyze your trade before you click on place order. So hello guys, hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share, because in my other videos I'll be showing you how you can do your own forex trading using some correct analytics that will actually earn you profit as well. So with that already said, have a nice day. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye. So now that you've seen this app and how helpful this app is, why don't you smash on that subscribe button, like this video, before moving on to the other part of this video where I'm actually going to share with you some key information you need to know. So when it comes to the key information you need to know, I assume you've already subscribed to this channel so that you don't get to, and also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out any of our new coming videos, because in our next videos I'll be teaching other things related to crypto and forex. As this channel is starting from scratch, I'm starting every single topic from scratch as well, so that you'll be able to get the best knowledge you need, and the only way to stay updated is when you subscribe to this channel. So now that you have that mobile application, here's the one thing I have for you. I'm not the developer of that mobile application. I hold nothing to that mobile application. Trust me, I don't have any connection with it. I only share that application because I found it a bit helpful for beginners. And before you start trading any information given to you on that particular mobile application, I will advise you learn some trading strategy and also use it to scale out to what that mobile app has given to you. Don't be in a hurry to trade it once you receive the signal. Also try and learn a little bit of trading strategy to apply to it, and also from there you will be able to gain more experience, because if you fully depend on trading with that mobile application, trust me, you are not going to go far with your forex or crypto trading chance, because the predictions for that app, as much as I've seen them to be 100% accurate, I can't recommend them fully. You still need to learn something at your own end to be able to grow as a forex trader, because forex trading, trust me, when you get into full-time trading, you won't have the time to actually look at that mobile app. All your main focus will be on the trend on your computer or probably on the device you use in trading. So I believe you found this helpful, and I advise you go and learn some forex trading strategy right now. And if you are a beginner, some of the forex trading strategy I will recommend is simply the supply and demand strategy and the 3-5-8 strategy. Those two strategies are a bit easier to understand easily as compared to the other technical strategy, but trust me, you are still going to need them along the line. So well guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you watch this video to the very end, I don't see a reason why you shouldn't subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share it with your friends, as well as more videos related to how you can make money online from cryptocurrency and forex trading will be coming your way. With that already said, have a nice day. Bye.